OPPO launched their all-new Reno 7 Pro 5G. OPPO Reno 7 5G runs on Android 11 with Color OS 12. 6.4-inch Full HD Plus 1080 by 2400 pixels AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and up to a 180 Hz touch sampling rate. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Has an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 900 SoC along with 8GB of RAM. Comes with a triple rear camera setup that carries a 64 megapixel primary sensor. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth Wi 5.2, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Include an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, pedometer, and a proximity sensor. OPPO Reno 7 5G carries a 32-megapixel selfie camera sensor and comes with 256GB of onboard storage. Grab your OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G today.